Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the machine. Backup data and confirm whether Windows currently boots in Legacy or UEFI so you know what will change. Once done, power off and power on while pressing ESC, then F10 on HP models to open BIOS. Make sure you have admin credentials available. Some HP systems require a BIOS password to change security settings. While in the BIOS, move deliberately. Use arrow keys and enter. This step gets you into the UEFI interface, where Secure Boot options live. Now you're inside UEFI and ready to change firmware settings. Go to the System Configuration or Security tab and locate boot options. If boot mode is Legacy, switch it to UEFI. This is required for Secure Boot to function. Save and exit to ensure the firmware recognizes the change. Re-enter BIOS after switching. Next, find Secure Boot and change its state to Enabled. Choose to install or restore factory default platform keys if prompted. These keys validate signed bootloaders and prevent unsigned code from loading at boot. Finish by saving all BIOS changes and performing a reboot. Confirm Windows or your OS boots correctly under UEFI with Secure Boot active. If you encounter a boot failure, immediately re-enter BIOS and temporarily disable Secure Boot or revert boot mode to Legacy, then use Windows Recovery Media if needed. If the Secure Boot option is missing or grayed out, check for and apply an HP BIOS/UEFI firmware update, and verify an administrator password isn't blocking changes. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.